How did it come to be that olive oil, preferably extra virgin olive oil, was blended with vinegar to dress a salad? And why is it that while little bowls of olive oil and balsamic vinegar are presented in Italian restaurants in the United States, it's seldom done in Italy? And while we know that olive oil and vinegar are good for you, by blending them, do we multiply their beneficial properties? In this video, we'll try to answer this question. Oil and vinegar have been used as dressings as far back as the Babylonians. While it's a natural flavor combination, what our ancestors did not know is that these two ingredients contain a number of components that support a healthy diet. Both olive oil and vinegar contain high levels of the plant-based antioxidants known as polyphenols that are generally believed to reduce inflammation and blood pressure. Olive oil is high in vitamin E, another antioxidant that protects fats from damage by free radicals. Vinegar, while not a source of vitamin E, has antioxidant properties that help in the digestion of starches. As a fermented food with probiotic benefits, vinegar has been shown to reduce glycemic response in complex carbohydrates. There's some evidence that vinegar aids in weight loss, which may be related to its ability to aid glucose tolerance. So by pouring olive oil and vinegar on your salad or making a vinaigrette, are you magnifying the individual benefits of these two ingredients? There are no conclusive studies indicating a clear answer one way or another. But since these two foods have been a part of our diet for centuries, it's safe to assume that the two of them go a long way to making our lives healthy and happy. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on 11 lemon and olive oil healing benefits every morning. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.